I'm at the Computer Networking Workshop at Moraine Valley that's being hosted by the Illinois IT Learning Exchange.
Really concentrating on computer science teachers. Give them some tips and tricks to help them in the classrooms to keep students engaged and make sure that they're teaching to the latest and greatest information.
For me, I teach computer servicing, and learning about power supplies and better ways to teach that is really a great opportunity, because then I can take that back and go to my class, and we do learn about power supplies and computer hardware. We're also learning about virtualization and IP version 6, which I teach in my computer networking class. So this is a really great opportunity to get some instructional help and getting the takeaways to go back to the classroom and be able to improve our instruction.
This is a concept that we want to show our kids. Is there something that we could demo to say, hey, look, everything...
Well, that's a great question. Zoho.com is a perfect example of software as a service. In the business class, you're probably going to show a CRM system.
Right.
Students can go in here for free and set up CRM.
Workshops like this help me to benefit by staying up to date with the latest technologies. That way I can translate this information back to my students. It also helps me to enhance the current curriculum that we have in place. I can update it with the recent things that I've learned in this workshop.
Infrastructure as a service is the coolest technology ever. What is a virtual switch? In the old days, we had to have an external switch out here, and we physically connected to each one of these servers. The switch is a virtual switch in that server. How fast is that?
Typically, class, I have minority students, minority females. This would actually broaden their horizon because many of them want to get into software development, and actually learning about what is software as a service or learning things about platform as a service and infrastructure as a service, they could be able to actually start developing those software and be able to move into those fields in the near future.
A lot of times our classrooms are really locked down, and we need to be able to let students actually do things that relate to real world type of jobs. So one of the things we try to do in the workshop is answer questions about creating virtualization in the classroom and allowing students to actually have control of systems so that they can perform real life type of tasks.
We utilized VirtualBox, which allows students to actually install various operating systems to give them more practice. In this way, we can sabotage those operating systems and challenge the students to come up with solutions. So users emailed the help desk. The user took a photo with their phone and included it with the email to show you what the problem was that they were having. They need to develop a theory. This means they have to do some research. Yeah, what I did is I set up a Windows 7 VirtualBox, all right, and there's the problem. So this is like the student going to the user, looking at their system and trying to fix it. The greatest challenge when you go to take the CompTIA A+ exam is the troubleshooting section. Part of what you have to teach them is Googling things and finding out more information and how to fix things themselves, because are you always going to be there over their shoulder when they have a problem? The instructors came away with new ideas that they could implement in the classroom to better prepare their students for certification tests like CompTIA's A+, and so that they will be more successful in the field someday.
This workshop has also given me a great opportunity to network with other high school teachers,
I get to see some of my colleagues all across the city of Chicago that are teaching computer science.
so that we can get together and really discuss like different ways that we teach in class, different shortcuts and different resources that we can use. So this has been a great chance to just really get together and improve our instruction.